Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is an all-day clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list today. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it.
It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how.
I'm starting off in the kitchen today, and as you can see it's already nice and tidy, which I love. I've just got some washing up to put away and a few bits to wash up, and then I can just go in and give it a good clean. I love days where I come down and it's already tidy, because I can then just crack on with the cleaning instead of wasting all the time tidying up. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the dishes away, get the washing up done, and then I can just clean everything off and make everything nice and fresh, ready for the day.
It sounds so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. Ooh, ooh. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can.
Now the kitchen's nice and clean, ready for the day. I'm just going to come over and sort this corner out. I desperately need to do Cinnabon's litter tray and just clean all of this area up. It was supposed to be done yesterday, so it's a day late, so as you can imagine it really needs doing. I'm going to take his bed upstairs because he never uses it, and I also want to come in and sort out this windowsill, just clean it off, get rid of the dead plant that's randomly there. I don't know why I put it there, but I just need to sort it out, just make it nice and fresh and just looking a little bit more put together.
I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you.
So I still need to hoover down here, as you can see, but I'm really happy with how this space is looking now. I'm glad that I got rid of his bed because it just opens that bit up a little bit, and I think it makes a big difference. And I also just swapped these over and got rid of the dead plant, and it's amazing how a space can change when you get rid of dead plants. It looks so much better. So I am going to be keeping an eye out for something to go on this mirrored tray because I don't really like how that's looking. It's a little bit of a mismatch at the minute and it just doesn't look very good, but I'm going to keep an eye out. I'm not really sure what to put on there, but I just think it looks so much brighter and more spacious the way that I've done this. So I'm really glad that I got to this today. But now I need to go through into the front room, and as you can see, it's always the same every day, looking very dishevelled, rubbish everywhere, cushions and throws just thrown about the place. So I'm going to go in, sort out all of the cushions, throws, get rid of the rubbish, Cinnabon's toys, and just make this space nice and cozy.
Did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Oh baby, baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder strung you up on a thread. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that.
So now it's looking a lot more put together. Before I'm going to go in and give it a good hoover, I do want to come through here and sort out this hallway because, I mean, look at it. It's always looking worse for wear. We've even got some mistletoe on there because I forgot to take one of the Christmas decks down, and that still needs to go into the garage, along with some of the bits that need to go into the garage, like that lampshade and stuff. And yeah, this is just, I don't know why, but since we've had the litter tray over there, the hallway has become the dumping ground, and it's like the worst place to dump things because it's the first thing you see as you come in. So I definitely need to sort this area out because this bit just gives me a complete anxiety.
Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, 'cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now
So I had to show you a close-up of this shoe rack because from a distance it looked quite clean, but it really isn't. It could do with a good clean inside there, and then I can just get everything put away looking a lot neater. But because it was so dirty, you could actually start seeing it, like even with the shoes in there, it was looking disgusting. So I'm gonna go in and give that a good clean.
it's a devil on your shoulder, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass.
I've now come upstairs and I didn't actually realise that I hadn't even opened my bedroom curtains today, so I need to get on that. I'm going to make the bed and just freshen everything up. It's not too bad, just a few clothes that need putting away and just the general tidying up. This room always feels so good with just having the bed made, so I know just doing the bed is going to transform this room, and then I can head through into the laundry room, get rid of those ladders, back into the garage and sort out this washing that I hung yesterday and just get it ready for my next wash load.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already for lots more cleaner motivation to come. I post every Monday to Friday, so there is tons of motivation here on my channel and I would love for you to be a part of it. So go ahead and subscribe using the red subscribe button down below, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night.